we're here. The aircraft is in good shape. The flight crew is ready to go. As soon as they're done cleaning the aircraft, we'll be on our way. We appreciate your patience with us. The aircraft that we initially got in Seattle was not in great shape, so we couldn't take it up here. And instead, they were able to find us a different aircraft, which is the one we brought. Safety reasons, I appreciate your patience and understanding. But as soon as we can get the airplane cleaned up and turned around, we will board up and be on our way to Seattle. And once you get on board, I'll give you a quick briefing of flight time and all that good stuff. A little bit of help on the way. So if ever need to use the restroom or get any food or anything like that, I would do so now. All right? And as soon as we can board up, we'll be on our way. Thanks a lot for your patience.
This is a reminder that once you have Alaska Airlines Ground Number 1 World Alliance, you to board flight 1087 to Seattle. Thank you for being mindful of others while finding your seat. Please place smaller bags under the seat in front of you and stow your larger bags overhead. To ensure we have enough overhead bin space for our flight, please rotate your bag in the bin so it sits on its side. Thank you. Raise your car in front of you, which shows what to do in the unlikely event of an emergency. We have 8 emergency exits. Bring the waist strap to the front, unbuckle, tighten it by pulling on the end. Just as you
Nakatanim pa rin ang gumamelang binalik mo sa Nakatanim pa rin ang gumamelang binalik mo sa'kin nang tayo'y maghiwalay. Ito'y katulad ng damdamin ko.
God is a devil, a church and a...
Is it worth it?
Oh yeah.
Another ick that I have.
For arrival, thank you.
We'll be landing in Seattle, so please bring your seat back and tray table up. Make sure bags and larger items, including laptops and tablets and keyboards, are completely under the seat in front of you or overhead. Smaller devices must be unplugged from seat power and held or secured. Get to your seat in the exit row, ensure your window shades are open, fasten your seatbelt, and remain seated for the rest of the flight. The lavatories on board will remain locked and unavailable until we arrive at the gate. We'll be collecting all service items and anything else you'd like for us to take. seatbelts on. Our times will turn off the seatbelt sign when it's safe to get up. Please leave your things where they are until we reach the gate. If your phone's close, you can take it out of airplane mode. For information on connecting flights, check the monitors inside the terminal or use the Alaska Airlines mobile app. On behalf of all of us at Alaska Airlines, a proud member of the One World Alliance, it has been our pleasure serving you today. A special thank you to our mileage plan members and elites. It was nice to see you again. To join our award-winning program, visit alaskaair.com/mileage plan for more information. Whether this was your first time flying Alaska or you fly with us often, we'd like to say thank you and take care. Please stay clear while flight attendants disarm doors for arrival and cross check.